Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So this 8 equation problems already we discussed actually. That is what equation you can find out. General solution already you know. What is the general solution actually? U of a cos px plus b sin x e power minus alpha square p square t. U of 0 comma t is equal to 0. In rod actually if you keep both sides ice balls. Rod length is L. You are keeping the ice ball, you are keeping this one. There is no temperature in this end. There is no temperature in this end. Initially, some temperature there in on rod. You know, x comma 0 input f of x. So, first condition what you will get? A is equal to b, 0. Second condition, p is equal to n pi by l. Third condition what you will get? P sin px into e to the power of alpha square p square, that will go, that is general solution. B sin p, b n sin n x by n, that we can write as a Fourier afferent sine series. This is already we done one problem for x, we done this very important question. Similarly, steady state condition problems, those are very good problems, compulsory question. There are another two types of the problems are there. Steady state zero boundary conditions, steady state non-zero boundary conditions. Now we can see steady state zero boundary condition problem one, problem two, steady state non-zero boundary conditions. Non-zero condition is very big problem. These two problems we do means what? We completed full this third unit. Then we go for the fourth unit. Now I see one problem one by one I will see. Already take an example one, you can see steady state zero boundary condition. If you have a PDF, all of you open and see. Everyone have PDF with you. Just open and see. A rod of length L has ends A and B kept to 0 degrees and 100 degrees until steady state condition prevails. If the temperature B raised to 0 degrees and kept so while that of A is maintained, find the temperature U of xt, distance x from A and time t. This example first problem you see. Just you can check whether if we have PDF. Otherwise I will write, it will take time, nothing will happen. Can I read? Can you note down? Okay. If I read, can you note down?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A rod of length L has its ends A and B kept at 0 degrees and 100 degrees C. Kept at 0 degrees and 100 degrees C until steady state condition until
So we
st-
have the PDF.
no, everyone, if you want note down, no problem, note down for question. In 5 minutes it will take. A rod of length L has its ends A and B kept 0 degrees and 100 degrees until steady state condition prevail. Copied everyone? If the temperature at B reduced suddenly 0 degrees C and kept so while that of A is maintained. Find the temperature U of x comma t, distance x from A and temperature T and time T. See, if we have see the PDF, just what is telling again I am reading. A rod of length L has its ends A and B kept 0 degrees and 100 degrees. First initially I am having 0 degrees, 100 degrees until steady state condition prevail. What is the meaning of prevail? It's a breaks actually. In steady state condition I maintain 0 and 100 degrees. Steady state condition means what, it won't change. If you see today also 0 and 100 degrees, tomorrow also there is no depend on time actually. Tomorrow also if you see 0 and 100 degrees only. After 100 years also if you see 0 and 100 degrees only. Then up to steady state condition prevails, it breaks. Before breaking the steady state condition, this is the maintain. So means what, in steady state I am maintaining 0 and 100 degrees. Once if steady state condition breaks means what, actually our old problem. B is reduced to 0. This also maintain 0, this is also maintain 0. So my problem is very easy for solving. Getting or not? Now, once if the steady state breaks, it reaches to unsteady state, initially some temperature should be maintained. That temperature usually you can do previous like this. Any problem, sir? Clear? Able to understand, following me or not? Say yes or no.
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
in steady state, temperature maintains 0 and 100 degrees. If steady state breaks, it comes to the unsteady state, this 100 degrees also reduced to 0. That probably can see if we have a PDF example, first example. A rod of length L has its ends A and B kept 0 degrees and 100 degrees up till steady state condition prevails. If the temperature B is reduced to suddenly 0 degrees and kept so while the top A is maintained. Find the temperature V of x comma t at a distance x from A and at time t. Clear? Now, steady state means what is the meaning? What is my equation actually? Tell me. Dou u by dou t is equal to alpha square into dou square u by dou x square. In steady state means what? It won't depend on time. Temperature is what? U of this at A. At A means what? At x is equal to 0. U of 0 comma t is equal to 0. Then at B, U of L, this is L comma t is equal to 100. In steady state, correct? What is the meaning of steady state? In this, who is the constant steady state? Means tell me.
Time.
Time 0. So, sorry, time is constant. Now, time constant means which term becomes 0? Which term becomes 0? Dou u by dou t to 0 or not? Yes or not? Yes or no, sir? If people
Yes,
are there, if people are there or not.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yesterday people are not attending. Today fully I am having severe headache. Also I am taking class, but you people are not responding. Huh? See, now you see, this is steady state means what? Dou u by dou t is equal to 0. This become what actually? Alpha square, dou square. Okay, if you want you can write. In steady state, t is constant, implies dou u by dou t is what? 0. So differentiation, this value is 0. Dou u by dou t is equal to 0 means implies this is equal to 0. Alpha square dou square u by dou x square is equal to 0. Then alpha square cannot be 0, implies dou square u by dou x square is equal to 0. Copy down fast. Are understanding or not? If the steady state give, maybe for 4 marks also they will give. In steady state condition you can find the form the equation like this. Chances are there for tomorrow exam. Now dou square u by dou x square is equal to 0 means what? U is function of x alone, single function. Can I use actually this ordinary differentiation? U is a function of two functions means I will go for the partial differentiation. So this how can I write actually? This I can write actually d square u by dx square is equal to 0. Copy down up to here fast. Copied. Sir, copied. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Now d square u by dx square is equal to 0 means what? Just integrate the u value. Then in steady state you are finding the temperature actually. So if you integrate it first time, what you will get? Du by dx is equal to some constant you will get C1. Agree? Integrating both sides. So how you will write if you want actually d of du by dx. One dx you can take integrating form d of dx actually. This integral means what? Dx integral dx. This d of du by dx. This anyway 0 means C1 you will get. Again if you differentiate integrate means what you will get? Du is equal to C1 dx. Integrating on both sides. What you will get? Integral du is equal to u. This is what? C1x plus C2. This is the u of x comma t. That is in steady state means what? X comma 0 is equal to C1x plus C2. Clear? In steady state temperature I got it actually. d square u by dx square. If you differentiate integrate 2 times with respect to x means what you will get du is equal to c1 dx. Second time integrating on both side u is equal to c1 x plus c2. Then u of x comma 0 is equal to c1 x plus c2. And that is what in steady state actually. Clear? Now apply the condition actually. At x is equal to 0, what is the temperature? This is u is the temperature. At A means what? X is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means what? 0. U is what? 0. So 0 is equal to x is equal to 0 means what? C1 into 0 plus C2. From this C2 is equal to what? C2 is equal to 0. Any problem? Sir, clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So at x is equal to 0, u is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to C1g because u is equal to C1x plus C2 I got. So C1 into 0 plus C2, C2 is equal to 0. Now my u become what actually? My u become what actually?
C1x.
C1x. At B, B means what? X is equal to what? L. Then x is equal to L, u is equal to what? 100. Now 100 is equal to C1 into L. So C1 is equal to what? 100 by L. Okay, yeah. Now, what is my u of x comma 0? Very good problem, steady states. This is steady state, zero boundary conditions. Next problem is very headache actually. It will take 2-3 pages actually. Steady state, non-zero boundary conditions. Now got u of x comma 0 100x by L. This is what in steady state. So until steady state prevails, steady state breaks, up to steady state breaks, this is the maintain means what in steady state, this is the my temperature. Once steady state breaks means temperature may be changes. Okay, yeah. Now problem what he is telling again, read the question if you have a next book. Rod of length L has its ends A and B kept 0 degrees and 100 degrees until steady state condition prevail. If the temperature B is reduced to suddenly 0 degrees C. In unsteady state means what? B also reduced to 0. Okay, now problem will start. Up to here clear? In steady state means what? Do you by division dose square u by dose square this I was right integrating on both sides. First if I integrate means what? 1d will give du by to C1. Another time if you differentiate C1x plus C2 will get integrate. Then using that conditions I am using. Now in unsteady state, what is the condition now? In unsteady state, my B also reduced to 0. Now u of 0 comma t is equal to 0 at A, u of L comma t is equal to 0. Initially I have temperature, u of x comma 0 is equal to what is have 100x by L. Previously the question is given, they are not giving, you are finding. This equation once if you find means what? Old solution, old story. Now what is the solution? A cos px plus b sin px into e to the power of minus alpha square p square t square. So in steady state, they are giving the temperature in both ends. Once if the break steady state means what my problem reaches to unsteady state, both ends become 0. Both ends become 0 means what in steady state initially some temperature if I able to find out means what previously they given u of x comma 0 is equal to x. First problem what I have done you can check u of x comma 0 is equal to x or not. very first problem in a one-time sheet equation. What is my problem now? What is the problem? First problem, what I have done? U of x comma 0 is equal to what I have done? Sir, open.
X.
X. Now what I am getting? U of x comma 0 is equal to what I got now? Tell me.
100x by L.
So what is that problem, this problem? Difference? That answer, if you multiply by 100 by L means same answer you will get or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, over, that's it. But before up to bringing, this is the story. He is telling what initially in steady state condition, A is equal to 0, 0 degrees, B is equal to 100 degrees. If steady state breaks, it's reduced to 0. Now this is also 0, this is also 0. In steady state, I am finding the equation. I will get U is equal to C1x plus C2. So at A, x is equal to 0 if I substituted, C2 I got 0, x is equal to L if I substituted, C1 is equal to 100 by L. Now U of x comma 0 is equal to 100x by L. Once if steady state breaks, if I reaches to unsteady state, now this is the problem. Both ends maintaining 0. In the steady state, initially this temperature will maintain in rod. Again, old story. Correct or not? Now we will write in general solution U of x comma t is equal to what? A cos px b sin px e to the power of minus alpha square p square t. Correct? Now same story. If you apply U of this, you can give equation A. Okay. First, U of 0 comma t is equal to 0 means what? A become what? Oh, sorry, not give equal. This also A, this also means cancel. Actually, you can take what you will take. 1 you can take. Then, equation 1 implies what? A is equal to 0. A is equal to 0 means what? U of x comma t is equal to what? B sin px into e to the power of minus alpha square p square t. Clear, sir? Now suppose U of L comma t is equal to 0 means my problem become what? Tell me. What is p value? This all you can substitute it. Then what you will reach? This I am skipping, but in examination you have to do. U of L comma t is equal to 0 means what? Equation 2 implies what? 0 is equal to b sin pl e power minus alpha square p square t. Then this cannot be 0. So b cannot be 0. Sin pl is equal to 0. So pl is equal to n pi. So p is equal to n pi by l. Now my second equation become what? U of p is equal to n pi by l. Substituting in 2. So U of x comma t is equal to what? P sin n pi x by l e to the power of minus alpha square n square pi square l square into t. Correct, sir? Now generally I will write U of x, the superimposition condition. N is equal to 1 to infinity Bn sin n pi x by l e power minus alpha square n square pi square l square t. Now this is third condition. Now E of x comma 0 is equal to what? 100x by L. So this implies what? 100x by L is equal to sigma Bn sin n pi x by L. This becomes 1 actually. If you put t is equal to 0. So write Bn is equal to Dn. As you can say. Or put whatever maybe. Now this becomes what? 100x by L is equal to Bn sin n pi x by L. So this is nothing but what? Half range sine series. Sine Fourier series. Now Bn is equal to what? 2 by L, 0 to L, f of x sin n pi x by L. Now this is what? 2 by L. What is by f of x? 0 to L, 100x by L sin n pi x by L dx. Now tell me, for x what I got the answer? Come on. Then that answer you can multiply by 100 by L. What is that for x what I got? Tell me. Shikawat is there or not? Mr. Shikawat,
Yes, sir.
you are there.
Sir.
No, Agresh talking. Where is Shikawat voice not coming?
Sir, I have joined through his device only, sir.
Then how can I find out? Open your video and show me face.
Yes, sir.
Ah, okay. Happy. Nice.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You asked so many doubts, yesterday. What you will do if I am not come? That's why I'm searching. Okay, come on. Anyway, happy. Everyone attended. Now clear this is. Now where I'm standing, this is. Now for x, what is the answer? You can tell me what I got the answer previous question. For x, you can tell me what is the answer Bn. For x, solution what I got actually Bn. Ananya, are you there or not?
Yes, sir, solving.
Solving as last class already we done, for x.
No, sir, we didn't solve.
Hey, solved, yaar. Not solved.
No, sir.
Then we done, sir. 2L. Okay, I will do then. Okay. We can write. Just I left for x. After that I have not completed.
No, sir.
Then you can do the extra 100 by L, that remaining same story. Then anyway I will do. Now I will do. Don't worry. For that also you can do exactly this problem I will do. Where is my towel? Up to here, copy. Hmm? Hundred by L, x sin n by x by L dx. What you will do? This 100 by L you can keep as it is. Don't simplify. Because for x also I want to do x means what without this I will tell you answer you can write there. Finally this I will multiply. 0 to L x sin n pi x by L dl. Now integrate this 100 by L you can keep, but in generally in examination you can do 200 by L square like this. Now what I am telling that for x means what with this 100 by L without this you can do that for that problem. That's why I am doing it. Then this what you know x you can keep sin n pi x by L integration is what
Minus cos n by x by L divided by n pi
Very
L.
good, very good. Thank you. Divided by n pi by L minus what you integrated again you can differentiate minus sin n pi x by L by n pi by L square. X differentiation is what?
1.
X differentiation is what?
1.
1. After that I am not able to move, then stop. My limits running from what? 0 to L. If you apply 0 also sin 0 0. If you apply x is equal to L means what? LL will cancel, sin n pi also 0. This is waste fellow. Only who will stand? This fellow will stand. Here also lower limit waste. Upper limit alone stands. Lower limit because x is equal to 0 means what? 0 into anything is equal to 0. So what I will get? 100 by L. That problem you will get just 2 by L into this. For this problem extra 100 by L. Some problem you will get 70 by L. Means what? This 70 by L extra you will get. But maximum x only you will get in heat times. One dimension heat guarantee question with x only they will ask. U of x comma 0 is equal to x. Sometimes you will get 100 by L. Sometimes you will 30 by L. Sometimes L they will go 0 to 10. After that time you can take 10 is equal to L you can take. Do the problem. Next you can let where L is equal to 10 like this. Like don't do with 10. You will get confused. Correct? 2 by L. If you apply the upper limit, what you will get, sir? L. Then this L by n pi. This minus also there. Minus cos n pi. Agree? Any doubt? Clear or not? This XL. This L by n pi. This I am writing this cos. This L cancel. So balance is what? 100 by L minus 2L by n pi. Cos n pi value is what?
Minus 1 to the power n.
Minus 1 to the power of n. So this is equal to Bn. Suppose this can I write minus 1 to the power of n plus 1. Can you agree?
Yes, sir.
So last class problem is what? 2L by n pi into minus 1 to the power of n plus 1 sin n pi x by L e to the power of minus alpha square n square pi square divided by L square into t. That is last class problem solution. Sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity. Now this class problem is what? This LL also will cancel. 200 you will get. Correct? Now getting or not? This is the last class problem. Because X I have not done, you told you know. According to your statement, this is the last class problem. Last class problem, what you will get actually? U of x comma t is equal to n is equal to 1 to infinity 2l by n pi minus 1 to the power of n plus 1 sin to the power of n pi x by L e to the power of minus alpha square n square pi square divided by L square into t. These all are e power. So this is the solution. Now for this problem solution is what? Tell me. U of x comma t is going to tell me. N is equal to 1 to infinity. What is the solution? LL will cancel, correct?
Yes, sir.
What is solution? 200 by n pi minus 1 to the power of n plus 1 sin n pi x by L into e to the power of minus alpha square n square pi square divided by L square into t. This is the general solution for any type. This is the heat equation. What is the temperature on the rod from the one end to the any time is this is the answer. But so still first initially how they are giving in steady state some temperature maintaining in both ends. Once if the steady state, if steady states breaks means what? In unsteady state second order also become 0. Then like whole problem. First in steady state I am finding one equation. Previously they will give u of x comma 0 is equal to some equation. Now they are not giving. We are finding and doing. Correct? Come on, do completed. Now next problem is very big problem. Steady state non-zero boundary conditions. What city? You want to see my class? Come on. See, you want to see my students? Wait. Wait. See, Chitty want to see you. All of you see? See, this is my class. Okay, yeah? Go. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Ready, go. Go. Now, next problem is very big problem. Everyone, if they have the PDF, means just you can read out. This triangle problem also, you can from the equation, you will get 2t by x and 2t by L minus x. That is also we done in wave equation. Come on, steady state condition, zero boundary conditions we done. Then take next problem you can see steady state condition, non-zero boundary conditions. If you have any problem, you can check. A bar 10 centimeters long, insulated sides. Come on, you have that problem. Keep check. Open all of your PDF. You completed this problem, means you can enough set this problem completed totally. Steady state condition and non-zero boundary conditions you can see. All of you open. Smilesha is there or not? Smilesha.
Yes, sir.
Sleeping.
No, sir.
Okay. You also attending, both are same actually, Ananya and you. Why wait with me? Okay, take that.
Same room.
Steady state condition, non-zero boundary conditions. You can check. Have you seen the problem? Read. A bar 10 centimeters long. Any one of you read? At least I can see you are there like this. You are reading. Like, check the problem. Ananya got it in PDF.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Read.
A bar 10 centimeter long with insulated sides has its ends A and B kept at 20 degrees Celsius.
Wait. I'm coming slowly. Come on, read out. A rod 10 centimeters long. So L is equal to 10 centimeters you can take. Now come on, read.
With its ends A and B kept at 20 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius.
Wait. So this is A is 20 degrees and
B is 40 degrees.
Next only very important. Until steady state condition prevails. In steady state condition, these are the temperature. Once if steady state condition breaks, the temperature at A is then suddenly raised to 50 degrees. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This fellow raised to 50 degrees and B is lowered to the 10 degrees. Same problem or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is what actually unsteady state. So very dangerous case. This is steady states A and B maintaining 20 degrees, 40 degrees. If steady state breaks, it reaches to unsteady state, A is 50 degrees ranges and B is lower to 10 degrees. But I have the zero boundary condition, only I can able to do the problem. Otherwise, highly impossible. Previous problem is what? Once if the comes to the unsteady state means what? My both boundary conditions are zero or not? Tell me. Say yes or no. Previous
Yes, sir.
problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Previous problem, what I am telling, A is maintaining 10 degrees, B is maintaining 100 degrees. If steady state condition prevails, then A is set, kept so while and B is reduced to the 0 degrees. So this is also 0, this is also 0, previous problem. But this problem is what? A is increases, then B is so very dangerous. We cannot get this solution, highly impossible. This problem is very, very good problem. Just again you can read. All of you just give the space and note down. Everyone got the PDF. Just you can note down the question. Don't see the syllabus. That's what mobile. Better copy down the notes. If you have it, best leave the some space. I will do the problem. After completing class, immediately you can note down. Correct or not? Very good problem. Maybe big problem. They may ask, they may not. But you have to study. Now come on. Already you know. What is the equation? Tell me. Okay. In steady state is what? Tell me. In steady state is what? In steady state, what is become? This fellow become means what? You is obviously it implies what? Dou square u by dou x square is equal to 0. That how can I write? D square u by dx square is equal to 0. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Then this become what actually? Integrating on both sides, du by dx is equal to c1, then u is equal to c1x plus c2. U is equal to c1x plus c2. In steady state, at x is equal to 0, what is u? In steady state, at x is equal to 0 means what? At a?
20.
20. Very good. Come on, substitute it here. U is equal to what? 20. Then c1 into 0 plus c2. So it implies c2 is equal to what, sir?
20.
Okay. Now, at x is equal to L, u is equal to what?
40.
Very good. 40. Then, now C2 is equal to 20 means what? My u is equal to what? C1x plus 20. Agree?
Yes, sir.
X is equal to L means u is equal to 40. Substituted 40 is equal to C1L plus 20. Now 40 minus 20 how much? 20 is equal to C1L. Now C1 is equal to what?
20 by L.
L. So I got C1, C2 or not?
Yes, sir.
Now u of x comma 0 is equal to what?
20x by L plus 20.
Very good. Super. Copy down fast, all of you. Now only story will start. Somebody left, so many people. Huh? Okay. 120 or half an hour enough. I will leave you. Don't worry. Again, anyway, every day I'm taking day one exam duty. So I can able to take only up to 27, up to 9 o'clock only. Anyway, you have to attend weekly or 1 or 2 days classes. If people are not interested to attend extra class, what can I do? I don't know. Clear? Now come on. Now only problem will start actually. In unsteady state, sir, shall I copy it everyone? Can you continue?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In unsteady state, what is the condition, sir? U of 0 comma t is equal to what?
50.
Very good. This is very good problem actually. U of 0 comma t is equal to 50. Then U of L comma t is equal to what?
10.
10. Then U of x comma 0 is what?
20x by L plus 20.
Very good. But these two conditions are 0 means I can go smoothly. But here I cannot. It's very dangerous problem. Because if you apply the first condition means what? U of 0 comma t is equal to 0. Solution is what? General solution. U of x comma t is equal to what? Tell me. What is general solution?
A cos px
A cos px
plus B sin px into
into
e to the power minus alpha square p square t.
So if you apply means what? U of 0 comma t is equal to 50 means what? So b sin this if you put x is equal to 0 means what? A into e to the power of alpha square p square t is equal to 50. Highly impossible. Cannot solve actually. Similarly, U of L comma t is equal to 10 means what? That is also cannot solve. So you have infinite number of solutions. So very dangerous case. Now in this case, how I will do? The whole problem I will divide into steady state and transient. Transient means unsteady. Up here clear. So you cannot get the solution. Using these boundary conditions. Boundary conditions. Open the textbook and now we can read. There will be a lot of bombarding explanation. Just I'm going smoothly actually. We cannot get actually. Then using the above the boundary conditions, we cannot get the general solution. Solution you don't get it. Now what you will do? The whole equation I can write U of x comma t is equal to steady state. Steady state means what? T should not be there, you know. Sir, steady state means t will be there. Huh? Tell me. Hello.
No, sir, 0.
So US of x plus transient. Transient means unsteady state. Ut of x comma t. Maybe these all equations number if you do means what this one number you will get. I still have not given any number. If you want to do some numbers means what some number you will get. Just I am doing some here. Some k like this come. See the textbook from the beginning. If they give the numbers means you can give. I am not given nowhere. Now the whole equation I am dividing into what? Two parts. US of x plus ut of x comma t. This is the life of the problem. Clear? Okay, yeah. Say yes or no, yaar.
Yes, sir.
Only Ananya only live. Everything I think somebody, people are somewhere. I think so. I think Ananya only our responsibility as remaining people don't have. I think so. For telling yes or no, what is the everyone say yes or once loudly. Come on. Say yes or all of you. No need sir also. Yes, you can tell. That is also not telling. Very bad.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Come on,
Yes,
shout.
sir.
All
Yes,
of
sir.
you.
Yes,
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 sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Vanmati also speaking. Smilesha is there or not?
Yes, sir.
Smilesha. 5 times you tell yes, 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 yes like this.
Yes.
Very
Yes,
good,
yes,
very
yes,
good.
yes, yes.
Yes for Smilesha. Okay. Come on. Speak out at least. Why I am doing all these sort of things? Okay. Now whole equation how you written tell me. U of x comma t is equal to. It's very very good problem. Just note down. US of x plus ut of x comma t. This equation may be 10 or something k I given. Now write. Now, come on. Actually, US of x is solution of the equation dou u by dou t is equal to function. Then x alone satisfying the thing US of 0, US of t is equal to 10. Then u takes to the solution, transcend solution satisfying the 6 to the decrease as t increases. Okay. Now, first you can just from this find US of x. Okay, yeah. US of x, how can you find out? Tell me. You know, in steady state, at x is equal to 0, what is the u value? Tell me. First time given
20.
problem. 20. Yeah.
Steady state 20.
No, wait. That is, wait. US of x is the solution of the equation. In function x alone, satisfying the condition US of 0 is equal to 5, US of is equal to 10, then ut of transient solution decreases, t increases. No. Actually, for this finding the solution, I want to find this is actually u of 0 comma t is equal to 15, u of L comma t is equal to what? This equation 10 na?
Yes, sir.
U of x comma 0 is equal to what?
20x by L plus 20.
Now find for first in this equation I want to find US of x equation means what? I will do actually US of 0 is equal to 50 I will take. Then US of L is equal to 10 I will take. These two equations I will. Why I will use means what? Ut if I substitute means what? This u of 0, 50 minus 50 is what? This is already u of 0 comma t and us of 0 also 50 means what? 50 minus 50 0 ut of x comma t I can do. This is also 10. This if I take 10 means what? 10 minus 10 0. I am bringing actually in transient condition 0 boundary conditions. I am trying to bring 0 boundary condition. So that I am applying US of 0 is equal to 50, US of x equal to 10. So US of x is equal to, for this condition using, this is the condition for the solution. Correct or not? The whole solution I am changed to 2 parts. Clear or not? Hello? Clear or not? Are you there or not? See,
Yes,
these
sir.
are the condition. After that, I changed what? This is the solution, US of x. For this US of x, I want to do u of 0 is equal to 50, u of L is equal to 10 I will take. Because using this boundary condition, what is US of x I want to do? Clear?
Sir, US of x you have written 10. Why is it should be
That's,
US of L equal to 10?
yeah, it x is equal to 10 degrees, lower to 10,
That is at L or X?
L, sorry. L. So, using these two conditions, first I will find out US of X. US of X, how you will have, tell me, normally? A1x plus B or not. This whole equation I am breaking into two parts. One is steady state, one is unsteady state. First I am finding steady state condition problem. Steady state condition solution. To find steady state condition solution, I will get anyway in steady state condition. In this particular problem, steady state condition, I will write A1xB. Then first US of 0 is equal to what? Tell me. 50. Correct? If you substitute 50 means what you will get? B is equal to 50 or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then US of L is equal to what? 10. Okay, yeah. So X is equal to L means 10 means what you will write? A1X plus A1L plus B. Who is B here? Who is B?
50.
50. Correct? 50. Now A1 is equal to what?
Minus 40 by L.
40 by L.
Minus 40.
Correct? Any doubt?
No, sir.
In this equation, I am finding first is what US of X, steady state condition solution. For this steady state condition solution, these two I am using. Correct? Now, what I want to tell you. Yes. Now my US of X is what? Tell me. What is the solution?
Minus 40x by L plus 50.
Minus
40x by L plus 50.
50. Keep here now. Correct? Up to here clear? Now whole equation I am dividing into two parts. One is steady state, one is unsteady state. In steady state, I got the solution. I want to find now unsteady state. Unsteady state can I write ut of x comma t is equal to US of x minus u of x comma t minus US of x. Can you agree? Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this up to here clear? This is only typical problem. This is only typical steps actually. Up to here clear?
Yes, sir.
Can I move now?
Yes, sir.
Still above now?
Yes, sir.
You can tell me when I ask actually US of x, remember? I'm rubbing. Now, US of x already I got. Minus 40x by L by 50 as a correct? You can keep this. Now, to find ut of x comma t, how nicely I will write is u of x comma t minus US of x. Correct? Now again same solutions I will do. Ut of 0 comma t is equal to what? U of 0 comma t is equal to 50. This is also 50. This is 0. Then u t of L comma t is equal to what? U of L comma t is equal to 10. Actually this is u, this L comma t is 10. This is also 10. 10 minus 10, 0. See how nicely I am getting boundary conditions. Now, u t of x comma 0 is equal to what? U of x comma 0 minus US of x. But u of x comma 0, previously one problem I got, tell me, what is that? Very first. What I got? Very first US of x comma 0. Forgotten, huh? 20x by L by 20, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. So, this how nicely I will bring you, see. They are finding ut only, not u of x comma t. In u of x comma t, I am breaking into 2 points. U of x I got. Then 1 by 1 condition, I am making these two fellows 0. Then this is equal to what, sir? 20 x by L plus 20 minus this fellow is what? Now simplify. 20 plus 40 is what? 60. 20 minus 50, how much? How
Minus
much?
40.
Minus 30. So, now again you can write boundary conditions, all boundary conditions. Ut of 0 comma t is equal to 0. Ut of L comma t is equal to 0. Ut of x comma t is equal to, sorry, x comma 0 is equal to, tell me.
60x by L minus 30.
This somewhat vague, you can read 2-3 times only, you'll understand actually. Now clear? Now write. General solution, how can you write now? Ut of x comma t solution, what you will get, tell me? Children, because these two are zero conditions, ut of. Now you can write ut of x comma t is equal to what? A cos px plus b sin px into the power of minus alpha square p square t. So substituting first condition, ut of 0 comma t is equal to 0 means implies a is equal to 0. Then ut of, this all you have to do, I am skipping. P is equal to n pi by L. Then lastly I will have ut of x comma 0 is equal to sigma bn sin n pi x by L. Previously I have one solution, bn sin n pi x by e power alpha square n square pi square L square into t. Now this is equal to what? 60x by L minus 30 into, that is bn sin n pi x by L. Correct? Actually, before that you get actually ut of x comma t is equal to general solution is what? Capital Bn sin n pi x by L e to the power of minus alpha square n square pi square L square into t. This is important. Now who is Bn? Bn is equal to 2 by L, 0 to L, 60 by L into x minus 30 into sin n pi x by L dx. Previously we done 100x by L, 1 minus 30 is there. Same story. Just x means what you got the answer, that minus 30 you can write. Minus 1 power n plus 1. This is the answer actually. 2 by L you got, then 2 by L this you can simplify. Now we can simplify. What you will get answer, wait, I will tell you. This is only ut only. Yes. That is even power only valid actually. Lot of problems are very hard to do. You can try. If you not get, I will try. Ut of x comma t is equal to bn is equal to what? I will tell you bn formula. Minus 120 by n pi. If n is even, still problems already, every problem n is odd only standing. Now n is even, it's standing. Correct? Any doubt? This you can simplify. Now ut of x comma t solution you can take. Here above. Sir, clear? Hello? Are you there or not? Over, completed. 2 minutes. I will leave you. Are you there or not, you people?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, Bn I got 1 minus 120 by 20, n is even. That you can find out. If you don't get, I will tell you. Now, right? Now, this solution is what actually? Ut of x comma t is equal to n is equal to 2, 4, 6 minus 120 by n pi sin n pi x by l e to the power of minus alpha square n square pi square l square into t. This is, but actually our solution is what? U of x comma t is equal to us of x plus ut of x comma t. But what is us of x?
Minus 40x by L plus.
That is important. Final conclusion you have to do. Minus
40x by L plus 50.
very good. 50 plus n is equal to 246 minus 120 by n pi. Maybe that the L also will come, I think, so if we substitute in sin n pi x by L e to the power of minus alpha square n square pi square L square t. Now here, who is L? What is the L value, sir?
10.
If you want, you can substitute it now. Minus 40x by 10 plus 15 plus 2, 4, 6. Till last, don't substitute, you will get confused. N pi sin n pi x by 10 u to the power of minus alpha square n square pi square by 100 into t. If you want, you can simplify. P of x comma t is equal to minus 4x plus 15. N is equal to 246 minus 120 by n pi sin n pi x by 10 e to the power of minus alpha square n square pi square by 100 t. Just you can check all problems. Do well. On Monday we meet on. I will come to the directly your classroom. I'll stop here. I think so. I completed third unit successfully. With a lot of pain, I made give plain, I know. But anyway, there is no other way. Because we have to come. Because there again some problem we have to complete one class. I wanted 2, 3, but anyway, we completed successfully. Again, open the PDF. Kindly revise what I have done. That problems you can see first. Correct? In D space, you will miss just previous class problem question paper. Open this third unit. What are they getting? You can check. Simply they will ask actually. They find A naught. What is the A naught? What is the RMS value? RMS value, no. Root of minus L to L f of x whole square by B by A like this. Minus B by A. RMS value they will ask. A naught they will go. Maybe if they give even function means what? What is Bn they will ask for 2 marks. Bn is equal to 0 because even function. What is the RMS value? What is the A naught? What is the AN? Simple problems maybe that 4 marks. Pattern, you know what is the pattern I said? Remember? What is the pattern?
3 into 10 marks and 5 into 4 marks.
So 3 into 3 into 10. Acha. Part A is 5 into 4. Maybe 6 questions are there. I think so. One question is choice. Then part B is what? 3 into 10. That all problems you can revise. That Parson's identity pi to the power of 4 by 96, pi to the power of 4 by 90. Then all of you bring to calculator in examination hall. Harmonic series will come. That is important. Harmonic problem. Up to third harmonic means what? A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. How to find out? Remember or not?
Yes, sir.
There is all so many problems are there. Just tomorrow sit and do. Don't go anywhere. Sunday programs, all Sunday programs cancel. Sit at through hostel and do. After completing the examination cycle test again, you can start enjoy the life. Stick to this 1 week. You can stick on the room. Don't come out. Just if you want sleep also no problem. You will get energy. Don't go here and there. Don't see the cricket also. Read well. Okay. Yeah. Then I will stop here. Okay. Bye all of you. Thank you.
Sir, one doubt.
Tell me.
Sir, this remedial question paper.
Yes.
So question number 2, it's given find an for the Fourier series and
Yes.
x limits are given 0 to 3.
0 to 3 means that is what?
0 to L.
0 to L actually. 2 by L you will get sine series means what? Half range sine series only. What
So
is
how,
asking?
1 second. It's asking an.
AN means half range cosine series.
But how do we know it's half range cosine series?
Means AN means only this one, no. Otherwise 2L is equal
No,
to
sir,
3 you
that
can
we have
take.
to solve directly only. We have to solve cos an is cos of n by x by l only. If you solve like that, I'm getting the answer.
No, but you need to know if it is Fourier series or if it is half range cosine series. Then
No, no,
only
no.
you can
What is the
apply.
problem? Actually, this range, anything range defined? Huh?
Yeah, sir. 0 to 3. So 3 you have to substitute as 2l, and l will become 3 by 2.
3/2.
That is what n pi x by. No,
L,
no. Maybe that is 0 to 6 actually. 0 to 3. I'll check and tell you.
It
Okay.
is
no, sir,
given
that
0
question
to
is there
3.
in the
So what
PDF
should we
only.
do?
That question
Huh?
is there in the PDF.
What?
That question is there in the PDF, sir.
I will see and tell you. Okay. I'll tell you again. I will come back actually. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
I'll put
And
in
for
group
question
actually.
number 4 also,
What is question number 4?
classify the equation 1 plus x square f of x.
That is the right. That is b square minus
B
4ac
square
by
minus 4.
square. What is the value you can see? Then you can decide what x domain. If you substitute, what will happen? X domain not that is you will get. That is clear only. No doubt.
Okay, sir.
Then
That's it.
I will tell you actually. I will send to the in group. I will tell you question number. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. 0 to 3. What is f of x? That is
2x minus x square.
2x minus x square. Okay, I will see and tell you. Then okay. Bye. Thank you all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Thank you, sir.